What the hell is up, y'all? Good freaking morning. It is currently October 30th. Yes, it is a good, cool Saturday morning. It's about 48 degrees right now. Really, really cold. 45, 48 degrees, really chilly. So it's a good, crisp morning. The cold front hit like a freaking freight train. It was Friday, yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday, I believe. And it got a little bit chillier today, so we're gonna make it happen. We got everything ready. Just got my bow and everything ready. Got my camo sitting over there. Sorry for the mess, y'all. Just been real scattering hair around lately. But anyway, yeah. Got everything ready. About to get dressed, get up in the woods, get a good snack, get a good breakfast in. Um, let's go in the woods, baby. I'll catch y'all up in the woods, okay? Okay. I'll see y'all. It is currently 8:15 and nothing yet. It is cold. I didn't think it would be this cold, and it's really windy. So the chill factor is about -5. But it just got done raining. Yeah, so we'll see what we can do. All right, we just got back. I just got back to the truck. I'm waiting for them to get up here. It's about 10:15ish. Oh, somebody got it done this morning. Done got one, huh?
Just old slick.
Yeah. Hey, Cole got it, the whole thing on video.
A little bit of it, not the whole thing, but a little bit of it.
She said, "Bleh." Yeah, I'll show y'all the video real quick. So we are in a situation over here. They're out looking for her right now. I'm chilling at the last clue that we found. I was hoping she would be all the way down there in the creek bottom, but she ain't. So they're looking over on that side of the hill for her. Yeah, it's about 800 feet uphill. My legs are down. I'm probably about to take a nap. You found her yet? You found her? Nah. How'd you get all the way down there? You know what I would wish? Like X-ray vision. Something like that. Yeah, it might take away the fun of tracking your own deer, but it'd be a lot easier. Just X-ray vision. Find my dead deer. You just scan through the woods and bam, there's your deer lying right there on the ground, about 90 yards. Just a thought that I had chilling up here. Y'all, I see Sasquatch. He's moving right there. Y'all caught that? Y'all seen that? Bro. See freaking Sasquatch. Dude, freaking Sasquatch, bro. Oh my God, he's staring at me. I'm just kidding. It's Jason. So we couldn't find the doe. We were tracking for 2 hours. Yeah, and could not find her. So either I think he's coming back out here later to find him. I have no idea. But we're pulling a couple cameras and then we're headed up on out of here. I'm starving. I need to get me some lunch.